So this is the new mid-mount on 3 kit. As you can see, excellent ground clearance. Turbos don't hang down whatsoever. Tucked up nicely. No K-member or anything like that required. Lowest point would just be the charge pipes coming forward, which still are pretty hidden. Blacked out the intercooler. I personally like it silver to show it off, but our customers probably will like that look. But you can see just one charge pipe there, nothing else. Do a quick start up. Drives like stock, sounds like stock almost. Quiet.